Tired of drowning in Bing Ads data and wishing for a clear, visual way to understand your campaigns? Then let's get right to it. First things first, head over to Looker Studio, also known as Google Data Studio, and create a new blank report. This will be our canvas for visualizing your Bing Ads data. Now, click on the Create New Data Source button. This is where we'll connect Looker Studio to your Bing Ads account. In the Data Source selection screen, scroll down until you find the Bing Ads connector, or simply search for it using the search bar. Once you find it, click on it. You'll now be prompted to authorize Looker Studio to access your Bing Ads account. Click on the Authorize button and sign into your Microsoft account that's linked to your Bing Ads account. After successful authorization, you'll see a drop-down menu displaying the list of Bing Ads accounts associated with your Microsoft account. Select the account you want to connect to Looker Studio. Once you've selected your account, you'll see a list of available data fields from Bing Ads, such as impressions, clicks, cost, and more. Review these fields and click the Connect button in the top right corner. Great! You've successfully connected Bing Ads to Looker Studio. Now you can start creating custom reports, charts, and dashboards to track your key performance indicators and optimize your advertising spend. Experiment with different visualizations to get the insights you need. Happy analyzing!